everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about basic Korean vowels, how to read and how to write them, all in just about 4 minutes. You can use the PDF file in the comments to follow along with this video and practice writing the vowels. Let's get started. First one is a, ya, o, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Let's practice together. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Let's practice basic vowels with example words together. Vowel a, example words 아기. 아기 means baby. Next one, 야. When you say hey, in Korean we say ya. Next word, 티, 야. 어디야? Where are you? Vowel 여. Example word 기, which means here. Where are you? 여기, here. 여기. Next vowel 오. Example word 이, which means cucumber. 오이. Next one, 요. Example word 요, 거, 트, which means yogurt. 요거트. Next vowel 우, 유. Example word 우유, which means milk. 우유. Next vowel 으. Example word 드, 라, 마. 드라마. The last basic vowel 이. Example word 기, 차, which means train. 기차. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn about 11 double vowels. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. 안녕!